Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now it's all systems go for the ISSA Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships, as ISSA has almost everything in place for the staging of the 5-day event, which costs over $100 million to stage.
On the eve of the nation's biggest high school track and field extravaganza, ISSA is putting the finishing touches on the event, which promises some spectacular showdowns.
I would say we are about 98% ready. As you can see, the work crews are here now trying to put the last minute touches onto the finish. We have put most of the things as indicated in place, and our technical committee is also fine-tuning things in terms of the start list just to ensure that there are no errors or significantly limited errors. So I think we're in a good state of readiness. I am a little comfortable, much more than I have been for the last 2 weeks.
The athletes at Champs will be the first to test the newly retopped stadium track.
I'm happy you mentioned the brand new track in the national colours, but I've been attending development meets all the season leading up to the championships, and I'm excited by what I'm seeing, the energy, the effort, the commitment that I see from our athletes. So I expect nothing less than they have offered all these years. Excellent performances, persons will be coming to give up their best.
But it is no small feat, a huge budget for a massive undertaking.
Our budget is well over $100 million. If you were at the Champs launch, you'd have heard the Grace Kennedy CEO, Mr. Frank James, indicated that they're investing $185 million in that. Just a word of caution, ISSA does not get all that money. A significant amount of that goes into execution to ensure that our sponsors get the exposure they need. But our budget at ISSA is well over $100 million, and security as a certainty takes a significant chunk of that.
As for the safety protocols,
this year we have solicited the support from the fire department with assisting us in training our security guards to be better at being safety wardens. That's an additional layer that we are putting in place. So all the things that you have become accustomed to, we are working with our private security team, Secura Pro, as well as the police officers will be with us, the fire department, ODPEM, all the agencies responsible for safety and security and health, the health department as well as the public health department. So we are leaving no stones unturned to try to guarantee the safety of everyone entering the venue.
Now, recently there were disgruntled fans outside the National Stadium as a result of not getting into the venue for the game between Inter Miami and Cavalier. Chairman of the organizing committee at ISSA, Richard Thompson, assures that won't be an issue at Champs.
We are working with the figure 28,500. We have not ever sold out the entire stadium for any day. So we take into consideration the athletes, the officials, so we factor that in place as well. In addition to that, for the grandstand, we know every single seat in the stadium. No seat is sold twice. That's a certainty. And we have never sold out the bleachers to full capacity. We have always kept it at around 75 to 80% of capacity.
Over 3,000 athletes from 118 girls' school and 117 boys' school will take part in 5 exciting days of competition, with Edwin Allen girls and Kingston College boys looking to defend their respective titles. I am Denise Walters reporting from the National Stadium for TVJ Sports.